Which of these two gold traders would you trust with your money? At first glance, the answer seems obvious. Most people would choose the one with the smoother equity curve and smaller drawdowns. But what if I told you there's a strategy that has delivered 16 consecutive profitable months trading gold, without a single losing month? Sounds like another internet fairy tale, doesn't it? Nothing in this video requires blind trust. Every performance statistic you'll see comes from publicly accessible, independently verified trading records that anyone can check for themselves. Now, let's look at why that's so important. If you look at the official statistics published by most regulated brokers, you'll notice a worrying fact. I was in exactly the same position. I was looking for a way to grow my capital consistently without spending hours in front of charts every day or risking everything on my own trading decisions. Why? Because trading consistently is extremely difficult. It takes years to develop the skills, discipline, and emotional control needed to succeed. That's when I discovered professionally managed copy trading. This is the strategy I found. As I mentioned earlier, these results are publicly available and independently verified. Let's take a closer look at what they've achieved, and more importantly, how the risk has been managed. When I started analyzing this strategy, the numbers immediately caught my attention. Let's look at the key statistics, all of which are publicly available and verified. The first number that stood out wasn't the return. It was the risk. The strategy has maintained a maximum drawdown of just 0.86%, which is exceptionally low for a leveraged Forex strategy. On top of that, it has achieved a win rate of around 80%, meaning that roughly 8 out of every 10 trades have been profitable. For me, those two numbers are far more important than chasing unrealistic monthly returns. They suggest a strategy built on consistency, discipline, and careful risk management, rather than taking oversized risks in search of quick profits. But as an investor, I can tell you this: returns are only half the story. The most important number on this screen is the maximum drawdown, just 0.86%. If you're not familiar with investing, drawdown simply measures the largest temporary decline the account experienced before recovering. In more than 16 months of live trading, the strategy never experienced a drawdown greater than 0.86%. To me, that says a lot about the level of discipline and risk management behind the system. And that disciplined approach to risk management has produced something you rarely see in the trading world: 16 consecutive profitable months. Every single month from November 2024 through February 2026 closed in profit. As someone who invests my own money, I know that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. But when you see more than 329 completed trades, with the average trade lasting less than 15 minutes, it tells you something important. This isn't a strategy that holds positions for days hoping the market moves in its favor. It is designed to identify opportunities, execute quickly, and limit the time capital is exposed to market uncertainty. So how does this work in practice? The process is surprisingly simple. If you'd like to learn more or explore the platform yourself, you'll find the official link in the first comment below this video. The strategy is available through the Copix copy trading platform and executed through the regulated broker tag markets. You don't need to know how to trade, read charts, or write code. Once your account is connected, every trade is automatically copied to your account in real time. Your funds remain in your own trading account while the strategy manages the trading activity. What I also like is the business model. There are no fixed monthly subscriptions or management fees. Instead, the team charges a 30% performance fee. That means they only get paid when the strategy generates a profit. If there is no profit, there is no performance fee. Investors also have a high degree of flexibility. Profits can be withdrawn whenever you choose, while the initial investment is subject to a 30-day minimum commitment. For me, that's an important sign of alignment. The team's success depends on delivering consistent results, not on collecting subscription fees. As I promised at the beginning of this video, everything you've seen today is publicly available and independently verifiable. Don't take my word for it, or anyone else's. Visit the verified MyFXBook account to view the live performance statistics and review every completed trade for yourself. Take your time, do your own research, and decide based on facts, not marketing claims. If you'd like to learn more about how this copy trading system works, or if you're interested in becoming an investor or building a business with us, feel free to get in touch using the contact details in the description or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.